welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into a product that promises precision and luxury with every swipe, the BK Beauty Brush Set for hooded or smaller eyes. This is a 5-piece eyeshadow brush set that's designed specifically for creating detailed, defined looks. Whether you're a makeup artist or someone looking for a more precise application, this set might just be what you need. Let's get into the details of these brushes, shall we? The BK Beauty Brush Set for hooded or smaller eyes is crafted from 100% cruelty-free vegan fibers, making them not only gentle on the skin, but also eco-friendly. The set includes 5 brushes: the 202 Defined Crease Brush, the 203 Shader Brush, the 204 Smudge It Brush, the 207 Pencil Blender Brush, and the 208 Precision Angled Brush. Each one is designed to address a specific need in eye makeup application, from blending to defining to creating those perfect smoky eye looks. In terms of performance, these brushes really stand out for their ability to apply and blend eyeshadows precisely, especially for those with smaller or hooded eyes. The 202 Defined Crease Brush does a great job at picking up eyeshadow with its tapered tip, making it easy to blend shadows into the crease or apply them to the outer corners. The 203 Shader Brush mimics the effect of your fingertip, but provides much more control, allowing you to press eyeshadow onto the lid with precision. For more intricate work, like smudging or defining, the 204 Smudge It Brush excels in softening eyeliner or eyeshadow along the lash line. The 207 Pencil Blender Brush is perfect for adding dimension to the outer corners or blending out the lower lash line for a smokier effect. And finally, the 208 Precision Angled Brush helps create sharp winged liners or even works as a brow filler. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this set. Starting with the positives, these brushes are undeniably soft, providing a smooth application with little to no irritation, which is key for those with sensitive skin. They also minimize product fallout, meaning you can get more use out of your favorite shadows. The versatility of the brushes is another plus. They handle everything from detailed work to blending without difficulty. However, there are some minor drawbacks. The size and shape of the handles could be a little more ergonomic for some users, especially those with smaller hands. Also, while the brushes do a great job at defining and blending, they may not pick up as much product as some users might prefer for more intense pigmentation. When it comes to value for money, these brushes do sit at a higher price point compared to your average drugstore makeup tools. But considering the craftsmanship, the vegan and cruelty-free materials, and the precise performance, they do deliver on quality. For anyone looking to elevate their makeup routine with professional-level tools, this set offers great value. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are alternative sets that may deliver similar results, though the feel and durability might not be quite as high-end. In terms of build quality, these brushes feel solid. The handles have a good weight to them and don't feel flimsy, which adds to the overall premium experience. The bristles are densely packed, which ensures an even application without having to press too hard. As for longevity, based on initial use, these brushes seem to be built to last with proper care. I didn't need to interact with customer service for this set. But BK Beauty has a strong reputation in the beauty community for providing good support. This is a brand that stands by its products, which adds peace of mind when purchasing. If you're looking for alternatives, there are other high-quality brush sets out there, but you might have to sacrifice the precision or versatility that the BK Beauty set offers. While some less expensive options might be available, the performance of these brushes really sets them apart, especially for those with specific eye shapes or more detailed makeup needs. To wrap things up, the BK Beauty Brush Set for hooded or smaller eyes delivers on its promise of precision, softness, and versatility. If you're someone with smaller or hooded eyes and want a more defined, blended look, these brushes will definitely meet your expectations. They're perfect for anyone looking to add professional touches to their makeup routine without the professional price tag. Before we finish, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to Beautyistic for more expert beauty insights, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or thoughts about this brush set, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you already use these brushes, share your experience with us. Until next time, goodbye and stay beautiful with Beautyistic.